Rural families in Ethiopia often rely heavily on farming, but relying on just one source of income can be risky. What happens when crops fail due to drought or pests? Having diverse income sources means having more stability and security for families. Imagine a farmer who also earns money by weaving baskets. If there's a bad harvest, the income from basket weaving can help buy food and pay for school fees. Diversifying income sources acts like a safety net, catching families during tough times. This is why moving beyond farming and exploring non-farm activities is crucial for the well-being of rural households. It's about creating a more resilient and sustainable way of life for rural communities. Non-farm activities are simply any work that doesn't involve growing crops or raising livestock. It's a wide range of activities that people engage in to earn extra income. Think of a woman selling spices in a local market. That's a non-farm activity. Or a young man who has learned carpentry and builds furniture. That's another example. Other examples include running small shops, working as laborers on construction sites, or offering services like tailoring or hairdressing. These activities often require different skills than farming and provide alternative ways for rural people to make a living. So, why do rural households feel the need to diversify their livelihoods? There are often both push and pull factors at play. Push factors are the challenges that force people to look for income beyond farming. These can include limited land availability, unpredictable weather patterns leading to crop failures, or lack of access to markets to sell farm produce. On the other hand, pull factors are the opportunities that attract people towards non-farm work. These can be the potential for higher incomes, the desire for a more stable source of earnings, or the chance to learn new skills and improve one's life. Non-farm activities can be broadly categorized into two groups: high labor productivity activities and low labor productivity activities. High labor productivity activities generally require more specialized skills and knowledge. These might include running a successful shop, working as a skilled artisan, or being employed in a trade like carpentry or metalwork. Low labor productivity activities, while important, often provide lower and less stable incomes. Examples include selling small items in the market, casual labor work, or collecting and selling firewood. While both types of activities contribute to rural livelihoods, encouraging the growth of higher skilled, higher paying opportunities is essential for sustainable rural development.